Hello, Señora Vasquez here. I will be sharing with you a brief PowerPoint. Bienvenidos, so welcome to Spanish 2. I am Señora Vasquez. This is a brief open house agenda. About me, a little bit about me. I was born in El Salvador, came to the U.S. when I was 7 years old, went back to school after being a stay-at-home mom for 12 years. Graduated from CSM in La Plata and transferred to University of Maryland, College Park. I'm currently working on my master's at Towson University. This is my 6th year at Lackey High School. I love to travel, especially to visit family in El Salvador. And on the weekends, I am a soccer mom for my 2 high school boys who do attend Lackey High School. So every day we do our lessons on Nearpod. We do our daily agenda, repasito, that's the warm up, and our lessons are with interactive activities embedded in the slides. And we do our exit ticket at the end of every lesson. So your course syllabus is available in the class website under Información General tab. So expectations and rules: be on camera muted, respect the teacher and the classroom, judgment-free zone, 0 to 10 minutes, you are on time, 11 to 25 minutes, you are late, 26 minutes, you are absent, participate and complete all work on time, follow student handbook rules, follow CCPS virtual rules, open communication with the teacher through email or remind, no translators. Materials: positive attitude, open mind, composition notebook or pen or pencil. Our grading policy is 50% process, 50% product. If you're absent, you have 5 days to make up the work if you have an excused absence. If you turn in work late, it will be graded with a grade no higher than a 50%. Starting from now on. Academic dishonesty: if a student decides to cheat or plagiarize on an assignment, there will be an automatic 0 on that assignment. Online translators are considered cheating. So this is a brief snapshot of the content that we're going to be going over for the year. And now the fun stuff. How will we learn this year in the classroom and outside the classroom? We use Quizlet for to learn vocabulary, Flipgrid, Gimkit, and of course Nearpod for our lessons. And this is our textbook, Get Chévere. That's where we get all our content from. Class website: please visit the class website and click on all the different tabs that are available. The Wednesday class assignments, also have all the Nearpods in there, the vocabulary PDF of every unit will have a PDF for the vocabulary. And our class, Zoom class recordings are also available in the class website. Great philosophy. So great happens daily as we learn a new language and culture. Relationships are built and strengthened as we navigate new knowledge and cultures together. Excellence is shown in trying our best in everything we do. Accountability for me to bring interesting on-target content to you, my student, who in turn strive to work cooperatively and independently to bring out your best work. Teamwork makes this all possible. Thank you. Muchas gracias for viewing the PowerPoint. And if you want to contact me, please visit me at jvasquez@ccboe.com. Email me at any time with any questions or concerns. Adios.